Hey lovelies, how are you? I really hope that you all are doing really very great. And yeah, as you all know that, or some of you know that I said that I was going to do an unboxing video. So here I am. So I'm doing this voiceover because this is my first time doing such kind of video. And trust me, when I was like doing the unboxing video, I was really very nervous. So without any further ado, let's start the video. I wanted to tell you that I also bought some another stuff which I'm going to unbox in another video.
Excuse
And
me.
yeah, they gave me a blank paper too, I don't know why. So yeah, I got two albums. First one is Persona, which I got the version 1 because it was random, and the second one is the OST of BTS World, like original soundtrack. And yes, I got the freebies too, which is really very nice. And as you guys can see that I got 4 photo cards as a freebies, which is a good thing. So actually for the Indian Army, I will definitely recommend you BTS India shop. So they have a Twitter account and Instagram account. I don't know about other, but yeah, if you want a great deals, like they can provide you official or unofficial stuff related to BTS. So I really recommend you. This video is not sponsored, but yeah, their services are quite great. So, and you can just go and ask them anytime, anything, they will respond you very politely. So yeah. Okay guys, so at this point I was really very nervous. My heart was beating like really very fast, and I was just really very nervous. My hands were shaking at that time. And yeah, if you guys are curious, especially Indian Army, then I wanted to tell that the prices of the albums was 1600 per album without customs and all of that stuff. But with, if we include like customs, then it will be around 2000. Like I paid 2000 something for that. ₹2,000, guys, not dollar. So yeah, the album is in really very good condition without any doubt. Like the quality, obviously it's BTS, it's big hit, so we can expect, right? So yeah, the quality was really very great. I tried to hide the photo card, but as you can see in the video, I got Jungkook. So, but like I tried, but I failed. And let's talk about the photo book. Okay, the quality of the photo book was really very amazing. The guys were looking so great and cute. And one thing which I really love about this photo book is like we got the small pictures of each member with their signature on it, like you can see. And I also wanted to apologize if you can guys see that the frame, the book is not into the whole frame. But to be honest, I was really very nervous, and I didn't notice that very well, and I apologize for that. And one more thing which I wanted to say, that BTS India shop is, I think they only provide services to Indian Army, who are living in India, obviously. So I don't know about the other countries. I actually almost forgot about this page, and this page is actually very nice, pink and purple. BTS World. Yeah. And about the photo cards, like as you can see, that first one I got Jungkook. Like this is double-sided photo card, but I was so dumb. No, actually I was very nervous at that time, so I didn't notice it. And the one I got, Big Hit BTS World, and the another photo card I got is of Suga. So I was really very happy and satisfied with the album. And yeah, wow. They were looking so great in the photo card. Last but not least, the ticket. And this is actually one of the main reason why I wanted to purchase this album. So yeah, but as a whole I really like the album. I'm really very satisfied with the album. And as you can see that now it's Persona album, and I got the version 1. I like all the version, but if specifically my favorite one is version 2 because of the photos. But I also like all the versions. I tried to get version 2, but I didn't got that. So yeah, version 1 is also really very great. I really like the album. The photos in version 1, actually I think we got a lot of photos, small, big, all size. And the color of the version 1, like baby pink, is really very great. Again, the texture of the album is awesome too. And yeah, I was really very excited at this point. Like I really wanted to see all the photos of version 1. So as you guys can see that this time too I failed to hide the photo card. But to be honest, I saw a little bit and I was like, oh, I got V's photo card, but I didn't. So I will show you which member's photo card I got. And for your knowledge, guys, Taehyung V is my bias, and my bias record, I think all of them are my bias record, but I will tell you later. You can wait, right? So yeah, and if we talk about the photos, as you can see that J-Hope, Jimin looking really very great. And as I said, this version have like a lot of photos of the members, like small photos too and big photos too. So this album is actually really very good, this version, sorry. So yeah, I'm really very satisfied. Like Taehyung, there is Suga looking so cute, Jin, the worldwide handsome. Like lot of photos. I'm really very satisfied with this photo book too. RM cute as always. And now we next have Cookie, Jungkook, so cute too. Now I can say that version 1's photo book is really very great. I'm really very satisfied with version 1. And now this is, I don't know exactly what it is, but I think this is a bookmark kind of thing, but I'm going to use it as a bookmark anyways. It's really very nice. And now we have the notes, so it's all in Korean. I don't know if I can read it. Obviously I can't read it. And the next is photo card. I got RMs. Look at the little drawing. So yeah, so cute. I was like really very happy and my hands were shaking. So yeah, again I got Jungkook. Yes, I got Jungkook's photo card again, second time. And I was really very satisfied with the albums, the services, with the freebies. So guys, I really hope that you guys like my video, and yes, if you have any suggestions, like you want me to do anything, so please comment down below and I'll try to do that thing. And yeah, I really hope that you guys really like it and support me. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do so. And yes, I really hope you guys will have a great day or night. So this is my first time, so I really apologize if you think I did something wrong, and don't hesitate to correct me too. One more thing, last thing actually, so I'll leave my one of my email ID in the description box below. So if you guys wanted to say something like personally, you're hesitating to comment or anything like that, so don't hesitate to email me.